Where's Jules? Jules! Come here. Come here.
Mommy.
Just a sec, I'm filming the baby. I want her in here. I was getting her in here.
Oh.
Come back in here. Yay! There's Jules. Hi, Jules. Bye-bye, Jules. Sandy, you want to say hi to the camera too? No, don't pull her, sweetie. Just let her do it on her own, please.
Hi.
Come over in the...
Juliana is spinning around.
You're too dark. I can't see you. Come out here.
She's spinning around.
Yeah, come out here.
She's running crap. She is cute.
You need you were totally in the dark, that whole thing. Sienna?
Go shadow. I said go shadow.
You want to see the lizard?
Wizard. He's called Wizard.
Oh, I did it wrong anyways. Peyton,
What are you doing? Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm making a video. Sienna and Jules.
Can I see?
Yeah,
What
just
is
like,
doing?
I'm still filming it.
Here's the front of a smile.
Jules.
Excuse me.
So you should actually put the video sideways when you're doing video?
I know, but I already started it this way. Walk
Okay,
walk
she's
towards me, Sienna. I want to see the front of her. Well, I'll get her this way.
He's supposed to be. Oh my gosh, she's just like, hi, Daddy. She's just like,
She did.
Hi, Jules. Good girl.
That's so cute. She's just like, you're happy. Oh.
She wants to play peekaboo in there. Sienna, go open the other one. I'll get her doing this.
Sienna, come here. Ready?
Jules. Jules.
Jules, open it.
Jules. She's going to come see you first.
Go the other way. Yeah, go around.
Go that way.
Go back around. Go play peekaboo.
Oh, careful.
Careful. She didn't even mention it. Let's see the baby.
Oh, wait. Go. Go. Ready?
Let her walk around the corner to see you. Who did you see in there, Jules?
Is that too funny?
I can't believe she's like totally worn out. She's been doing this for an hour.
I don't know what you're saying.
I think she said again.
Again? Do it again?